Hey there, welcome to our channel MTech HD. Today, we're diving into one of the most rewarding gardening projects, growing cucumbers in pots. Whether you're a gardening newbie or an experienced green thumb, growing cucumbers in containers is a fantastic way to enjoy fresh, homegrown produce, even if you're short on space. Stick around because I'm going to guide you through every step, from choosing the right pot to harvesting crisp, delicious cucumbers. Why grow cucumbers in pots? Cucumbers are a popular choice for container gardening because they're fast-growing and highly productive. Plus, growing them in pots gives you more control over their environment. It's perfect for those of us living in apartments or houses with limited yard space. You can even grow them on your balcony or patio. And let's not forget the convenience of being able to move your pots around to catch the best sunlight. Choosing the right pot and soil. First things first, pick a pot that's at least 5 gallons in size. Cucumbers have extensive root systems, so a deep and wide container will help them thrive. Look for pots with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. For the soil, choose a high-quality potting mix that's rich in organic matter. Cucumbers love loose, well-draining soil with good nutrients. Adding compost or a slow-release fertilizer will give your plants the boost they need. Planting cucumbers. When it comes to planting, you have two options: seeds or seedlings. If you're using seeds, plant them about 1 inch deep and 2 to 3 inches apart. For seedlings, transplant them into the pot, making sure they're spaced out to allow proper airflow. Cucumbers love warm temperatures, so wait until the weather is consistently above 60 degrees Fahrenheit before planting. Providing support. Cucumber vines love to climb, so you'll need to provide a trellis or stakes for support. This keeps the plants healthy, prevents fruit from rotting on the soil, and makes harvesting easier. You can use bamboo stakes, a wire cage, or even a DIY trellis. Trust me, your cucumbers will thank you. Watering and feeding. Consistent watering is crucial for growing cucumbers. They're thirsty plants, but they hate sitting in soggy soil. Water them deeply about 2 to 3 times a week, and make sure the topsoil stays moist. During hot summer days, you might need to water them daily. As for feeding, use a balanced fertilizer every 2 weeks to keep your plants growing strong. A liquid seaweed or fish emulsion works great for cucumbers. Sunlight requirements. Cucumbers are sun lovers, so make sure your pots are placed in a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. If you're in a particularly hot climate, providing a little afternoon shade can prevent the plants from wilting. Managing pests and diseases. One of the biggest challenges in growing cucumbers is keeping pests and diseases at bay. Common pests like aphids, spider mites, and cucumber beetles can wreak havoc on your plants. A good practice is to check your plants regularly and use organic pest control methods, like neem oil or insecticidal soap. As for diseases, powdery mildew is a frequent culprit. Ensuring proper airflow and avoiding overhead watering can help prevent it. Harvesting cucumbers. The best part of growing cucumbers is, of course, the harvest. Depending on the variety, cucumbers are usually ready to pick about 50 to 70 days after planting. Harvest them when they're firm, evenly green, and about 6 to 8 inches long. Don't let them overripe, as this can reduce the plant's productivity. And there you have it, everything you need to know about growing cucumbers in pots. It's a simple, enjoyable gardening project that rewards you with fresh, healthy produce right at your doorstep. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel MTech HD for more gardening tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to grow cucumbers this season or if you've got any questions. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.